This tutorial will show you how to log in online for your UHS mental health telehealth appointment. The first thing to do is to go to our My UHS portal. You can get there by typing in https://myuhs.uhs.wisc.edu. Once you're on this page, you can log in one of two ways. You can log in using your NetID or using a My UHS username. I'll log in here with one of our test patients by the name of Harry Spider, and then click Proceed. First thing you'll do is put in your date of birth, just to verify your identity. And now you'll be on your home page in the My UHS portal. The first thing we'll have you do is complete any consent forms that you haven't already completed for treatment at UHS. So to do that, go to the Forms section on the left. You can click that tab. And might be a lot of forms here to complete, but there's only 3 that we need you to complete for a mental health appointment. The first is the privacy notice. So if you're a student, please complete the student privacy notice and consent to treat form. If you're a non-student, please complete the non-student privacy and consent form. Next, please complete the informed participation agreement for mental health, which is right here. The only exception to that is if you are going to have a survivor services appointment, then we want you to fill out the survivor services informed participation agreement instead of the mental health form. And finally, for all telehealth appointments in mental health services, please complete the MHS Telehealth agreement. So after you've done this, go to the Appointments tab and find your appointment for today. So here's the appointment that Harry has. Click Appointment Check-in. You'll have to say what state you are in currently. It's not the state that you're from or the state that you're born in, but where you are right now as you're making or about to check in for this appointment. So Wisconsin. Click OK. And this is really important. It looks like you just want to join the meeting because there's that big link right there. But before you join the meeting, please complete some surveys that have now shown up for your appointment. So to do that, go to Survey Forms on the left, and you'll see there's now 2 short surveys for you to complete. So simply click those links, complete those surveys, and then once you've done that, you can go back to the Appointments tab, and it'll either say Join Meeting, or there might be another link that says Complete Questionnaire. If it does say Complete Questionnaire, please do so. That gives us very valuable information to serve you better. And once you've done that, you can click Join Meeting, and as it says, it will open a new window. This will launch Zoom. You may need to download Zoom, or if you already have it installed on your computer, you can just click Open Zoom. And at this point, you're just going to be waiting for your provider to start the visit. If you have any questions about this tutorial, please send a message to your provider before your appointment, and they can answer any questions that you may have. Thanks, and we look forward to seeing you here.